now is planting the seedlings on these boxes. The vegetables we have here is actually this actual seedlings is a 3 weeks old seedlings.
Maganda kaya to kung may ano lang, may space lang yung phone natin. Pwede to map.
Ito yung aming farm.
Yung kasama kong maganda.
Ako yung farmer. Dito. Pero, dito lang yung aming tanim.
Mami,
3 boxes. We call this plant.
ready for harvest na.